Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Avila University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Avila University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for Avila University login. After searching for Avila University login, you will come up to this page, and over this page you can tap on the first option which says login. And after tapping on that option, you will come up to Avila University's website. And now if you scroll down, here you have to select one of these options to log into your Avila University. You can find more about those options in the bottom of your screen. So here you can find more about those options. So just select the option that you like. I would like to select Canvas. So after selecting the option, now you have to enter your username and password. So just simply enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, you can tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Avila University's account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password. So after resetting or recovering your password, come back to this page and just enter the password that you have resetted, and just enter the new password that you have created, and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Avila University's account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Avila University's account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.